Both oil and NG have achieved the lows, achieved the targets on the downside and showed a sharp recovery. I hope you all profited. Now, what can be expected today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Remember, I had told you, I had warned you several times that on the downside, you have to trail with the stop loss till 84 levels on the US crude, and for NG 6.5, 6.4 levels, definitely a very strong support. Precisely bouncing back from close to these levels. Now, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Now, let's have a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly charts, you can find out there is a flat wall out there at 88.5 and there is a support there at 87.5. It is denying to go below 87.5. Yes, below 87.5 there is certainly next support at 87, 86.5, and if it drops below 86, certainly more bearishness will be seen. See, the minor movement has definitely got the indicators down, but at the same time, the movement on the real movement on the oil is hardly any thing here, and hence yes, if you see it trading above 87.5, certainly you can stay long on crude oil today. At the same time, 88.5 rather. So yes, if you see it trading above 88.5, you can remain long on crude oil. At the same time, below 87.5, we can expect it to drop more. Now look at the directional movement is bullish, yet trying to converge. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. This indicates that, see, after curving back a little, it is trying to flatten here, and then maybe again it may try to diverge. You have to be cautious here. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can find out lower highs, lower lows. So trying to trade in this channel, certainly beyond this zone at 88.23 or 88.3, certainly you can expect a little more bullish move, but then expect 88.5 and then 89.2. Remember, 89.2 is definitely a very strong resistance, and only above that certainly more bullishness can be seen. Then 90 levels should be come into picture. So yes, only buy here at 88.3, or rather I will say 88.5. At the same time, on the downside, 87.5, definitely a very strong support. You can find out multiple candles getting the support at these levels. Certainly it will again come to the rescue. Below that 87, and then below that we can see 86.5, 86. Till here, very strong support. Dropping below 86, it will call for another round of bearish move. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is overbought here. It is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. It may try to converge. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, this is giving you a breakout here. This is a bearish breakout. Probably this is the first red candle. The second red candle may appear, and in fact a third red candle may appear, which may try to take it till towards 86.5, 86. Very strong support at 86 out there. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is overbought on the 3-hour charts, and if you look at the MACD, this is still divergent here. It can start to converge crossover, and unless it crosses over for a sell, it is still trying to trade bullish from here. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts looking downwards, we can expect another couple of red candles here, which may try to bring it till towards 86.5, 86 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold here, overbought here, hence it may try to converge a little. See, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish crossover on the 4-hour charts. Be careful, any move beyond 88.5 should call for the bulls out there. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now observe the daily charts here, lower highs, lower lows, and trying to trade in this channel. Certainly any move beyond 88.5 with the next candle, it will call for the bulls, and then you can expect 89.2, $90 levels in fact will be seen, and beyond that also further rally can be expected, can be observed. At the same time, if it trades below 87.5, it will try to bring it till towards 86, and below 86 it may try to drop till towards 84 levels. Be careful, 84 is definitely a very strong support. Directional movement anyways has crossed over for a bearish move. It is divergent and bearish. Stochastic has come down to the lows out there. It is trading near to the bottom. The MACD is trading parallel, and it may continue to do so, indicating little bullishness. And RSI trading flat. So considering this, sell at 87.5, buy at 88.5 in between. $1. Do not trade, do not take any position in between this $1. On the downside, 86.5, 87, 86.5, 86. 86 is a very strong support for the day, below which it will call for more bearishness. 85.5, 85 and 84.2, 84 levels can be expected. Very strong support at 84. Be careful there. On the upside, buy at 88.5, 89.2 first target, 90 levels next, and beyond that it will fly again for 90.2, 91 and 92 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And in the volatile times, always keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price and take multiple trades. If you have your capital, you can take multiple trades. Yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, the strategies on identifying the right trades at the right time, taking the right entries and the right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch starting on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Definitely the strategy start will help you become a profitable trader and a proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Only get the confirmation from the official email and the Telegram ID mentioned in the channel and video description. Please note down every letter, every alphabet, because there are spammers who have just twisted the email IDs and the Telegram ID a bit, and with that twist they have fooled many from my for taking my name and my identity. Please request you to match every word, every letter from the official Telegram ID and the channel ID. Only these Telegram and email confirmation will work out there. So be aware of the spammers, be aware of the fraudsters. And yes, join my mentorship batch, join my Telegram channel. If you want to join my Signals channel, that also you can reach out to me for on my email and Telegram. Also, be if just you want to support the effort, become a patron and support the effort. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at NG on the hourly charts. Now NG on the hourly charts, you can find out on the hourly chart, see 6.9192, definitely a good support for NG out there. After the rise retracement, yes, it can rise till towards 6.94, make a double top and then drop from there. That is another probability out there. And on the downside, you can see how it is trying to trade. Now look at the hourly charts. It is trying to or waiting for a breakout. Any breakout above 6.92 will take it to 6.94, and beyond 6.94 it is going to fly high. Be cautious of 6.94 levels. Yes, you can buy at 6.92, expect it to rise more. At the same time, where to sell? Yes, you can sell there at 6.85 levels. Below 6.85, it will call for more bearishness. Below that, you can expect, so rather I will say 6.84, only you can go short there at 6.84, and then below that you can expect a stronger drop. Those who want to take a safe entry, do not trade between 6.84 and 941 $1. You should not trade. Directional movement, divergent and bullish. Stochastic is again reversing from here. The MACD is divergent still and it is on the greener side. RSI trading near to the top, indicating little bullishness there. Now look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, 6.84 provided it a base, and with that it has tried to reverse. The resistance there at 6.9 is strong. Probably it may try to take it further highs. 6.94 definitely a stronger resistance. If it trades beyond 6.94, it will call for more bullishness. At the same time, below 6.84, we can expect it to continue to the drop. Directional movement, trading bullish here, divergent here, and yes, trading above the median here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It can start to converge. RSI trading near to the top there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, this appears to give a breakout. We have to watch for the next candle. Certainly trading sustaining above 6.9 will try to make it till towards 6.92, 6.94. Beyond 6.94, we can expect 7.02, 7.1 and 7.18. In fact, 7.2 can be expected. On the downside, below 6.84, certainly you can expect that we are looking at 6.8 major support, very strong support, and then 6.75. If it drops below 6.75, certainly more bears will pitch in, and then it may continue to drop for 6.66, 6.6 levels, very strong support, and below that a crash can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic trading overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. It has achieved the high, probably it can only converge from here. RSI looking upward. So yes, probably indicating now a consolidation phase or a bearish phase should only sustain here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see the lows out there at 6.55 or 6.5 and the highs out there at 6.95. So almost $4.5 or $4 at least you can say, which makes the pivot at 6.7. Hence, a possibility of also to drop till towards 6.7 exists. Only below 6.7, the bears will appear and then bears will take charge. Else, achieving 6.7, it can try to bounce back. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish, RSI looking upwards, indicating bullishness there. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Last few candles consistently lower highs are seen and a flat bottom is seen. 6.5 definitely a very strong support. 6.5 and 6.4 zone, this you have to watch out for, be careful. So yes, for the day above 6.94 you can expect 7.02 and beyond 7.02 it will fly for 7.2 levels. Be careful there, take a position accordingly. On the downside, sell at 6.85, expect 6 point, rather I say sell at 6.84, expect 6.75, 6.7 levels as a very strong support, and only if it trades below 6.7 you can expect little more bearishness. 6.6, 6.5 cannot be denied. Below that 6.4 is the major support. This zone 6.4, 6.5 is important for NG. Watch it out carefully. Till the time it trades above, certainly bullishness can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, or become a patron. All the links mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.